Today I'm going to show you how to make um, papaya or papaya powder. I'm going to demonstrate on how to make the powder at home. So it's easy to make, but it takes a lot of patience. So you don't, if in case you can't find papaya anywhere you live, you can still make your own papaya powder at home. I use it for skincare. I use it for my skin, and I use it for my yogurt. So let's get started. We'll start by cutting the edge of the papaya. The edge is still good. I washed my papaya with sea salt water so that I don't get any pesticide, although this is organic papaya. So I just want the goodness of this papaya because I'm going to use it mainly for my skin. I'm going to make soap with it. So if you're going to use it for only to drink, it doesn't matter. You can still use the skin as long as the skin is okay, or you peel off the skin. I'm not going to peel the skin. I'm going to cut everything and dry everything. So I'm going to cut it into pieces in two pieces. Open it up. I'm going to remove the seed, but I'm still going to dehydrate the seed. Just scoop out the seed and set it aside. So I'm going to set it aside. Now I'm going to slice my papaya in pieces, in very tiny. If you make it too big, it will not dry easily. So I'm going to make it little. You can see it's very flexible. Our papaya is ready. After slicing it, it's ready. You can see that I slice it in a more flexible and light way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in my dehydrator to dry. You can as well use oven method to dry it. I'm going to put a link under the description box below where I used oven to dry my rose petals. So you can use that method to dry yours if you don't have dehydrator. So I did added a parchment paper here. So I'm going to put the seeds. I'm going to spread the seed. I'm going to spread the seed around here. None of this should be thrown. Don't throw away your seeds. It's very important. You can use it to exfoliate your face or your skin. The enzyme in it is very powerful, even more than the papaya itself, the papaya fruit itself. So I'm going to set it aside. I put it under the rack and keep layering putting the layers of the papaya of the rack, putting it by layer till it's done. If you're going to use this for your skin, please make sure you wash your hand very well. So it is ready. I finished layering it. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers of the I have about 5 layers of it. That is how small my dehydrator is, but as I'm still enjoying it because it has been doing its job for a long time. And hi guys, today I'm going to show you the result of the dehydration. Yesterday I dehydrated it with my dehydrator, so I left break it into pieces and grind. Okay. You can see I'm going to transfer it into a container to use anytime I want to use it. Please like my video. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Please share my video, like my video, comment. I want to hear from you. And if you have not subscribed, please can you subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.